The Mojave Desert is not recognized as a biodiverse ecosystem. A lot of people think of it as a wasteland, but really it is incredibly biodiverse. It's full of life. We have rivers, we have streams, we have all kinds of different pockets of life. So much of the life here, because of the extreme climate, it's really hot, it's really dry, it's really cold. Everything has adapted in this really incredible way. The Mojave Desert is really in need of protection. We're seeing a significant increase in the number of fires and the intensity of fires. The desert isn't really a fire-adapted region. Species like Joshua trees aren't meant to bounce back from a burn. And then the other issue, which I think is universal for everyone right now, is invasive plant species. And then the one really interesting thing that we deal with is that the bulk of renewable energy that's happening in the state is happening in the desert. And so we've been working really hard to evaluate the impacts of those projects. The Mojave Desert Land Trust was founded in 2006 to protect the desert region, which is a quarter of the state of California. We do that in lots of different ways. As a land trust, our main program is acquiring and protecting land in perpetuity. And of course, conservation doesn't stop with just having the land. We have to take care of it. So that's a lot of hard work. We have both a team on our staff, but also a significant volunteer team who work to steward our properties. We also have this great native plant protection program. We're really working to do the great work of banking seed of every species throughout the Mojave region. We also have a native plant nursery here where we grow from seed native plants also that can be used for restoration. We are working with several of our partners from the National Park Service, the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, the State Fish and Wildlife Service, and several other researchers to put together a Joshua Tree Conservation Coalition to protect this species. At the Mojave Desert Land Trust, we're really working to be thoughtful about what it means to be a land trust. And something I think that we have been successful with is putting people first. That's how we're actually going to accomplish this goal, is by getting people involved and giving them ownership over what we're doing and what this means. We kind of call ourselves a one-stop shop for conservation, right? We do the land acquisition, we do the stewardship, we grow the plants, we bank the seeds, we involve the community, and all of those pieces have to work together to have real long-term conservation and protect this important ecosystem for hundreds of years more.